Welcome back, everyone. So tonight we got kind of a special video. We're out here, we're working on Old Bud. You guys haven't seen that in a while. If you guys don't know who Old Bud is, this is my dad's old first gen. Still gets used pretty regularly. It just kind of stays in the background for now and stuff, but you can see the wife, she's hiding out. Oh, she's right there. She's hiding out there, but we're peeling tint off the inside so that I can get the windows tinted a little bit. But we have something special tonight. First off though, before we dive into that, let me show you guys what else I got. You guys, so I finally kind of bit the bullet and bought some kind of cheap, I would say mid-grade LED shop lights. So let me just show you guys real quick here. Kind of see there, okay? No lights. Let there be light. So actually quite a huge difference. I don't know what took me so long because you guys know how it is. These here, like this one here, let me turn this. This one isn't on, I don't think. No. But you guys know that these fluorescent bulbs, they work and they're pretty good, but over time you can kind of see this one's surging, maybe not. Over time they just go kaput. Now I don't know how these are going to hold up, but let me tell you what, these things are, I mean, they are excellent. Man, you don't really realize how good they are until you turn the other lights out. But let me turn off the fluorescence out here, and it's still pretty bright. These are like a kit of 10. They were 10 8-footers in a pack. I think they were just over $200. If I can remember, I'll put them in the description. But yeah, pretty awesome. So anyhow, what are we doing today? All right, so what we're doing this evening is we are going to install a decal from Xplore Offroad. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago and say, hey, would you be willing to review a product? And I am not going to more or less accept anything unless it's, one, benefit me in some way, or two, benefit the channel. So anyhow, I didn't know what they wanted to send, but as soon as I first saw it, I'm like, I gotta have it. So anyhow, they were nice enough to send this out, so thanks to them. But we'll talk more in a minute. But anyhow, they sent me out a decal, and to be honest, I have always wanted one of these. I'll show you here what it is in a minute. You guys already know by the thumbnail, but I've always wanted one. And then it just so happens that somebody reached out and said, hey, would you like a decal? And I looked at it and it was American flag. So in here, I already kind of opened it up before. But in here, we've got a sticker, obviously. Got to have that. They send you an X-Acto knife. That's very awesome. And in here, that's it. So this is going to be the trickiest part, but I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. Not sure what that is yet either. But it's a American flag decal for your rear window. I've always wanted to put one on, if not one or all my trucks. I just thought they were always neat. So yeah, that's what we're going to be putting on tonight with the help of the wife, more than likely. But okay, so they also sent a scraper. So this is what we're going to do tonight, and I thought what better truck to put it on than Old Bud, Old Glory on Old Bud. But this is actually quite large for that rear window. We're going to be cutting down a lot. But so like I said, the wife's on the inside. She's cleaning out all the excess tint from probably 25 years ago. I got to clean up the outside, and then we're going to get this thing hung up there. Now, I've never hung a decal up this big, but I did learn something the other day, which I kind of already knew, but I don't know if you guys watch Welker Farms. They do a lot of equipment repair, and I kind of grew up farming, so I kind of watch them every now and then. But anyhow, they put some decals on their big bud tractors, and they, spray soapy water behind them, so that way they can move them around and get them where they need to be before they, more or less put them on permanent. So that's what we're going to do. That way, because we got a lot of you know, more or less we got to make sure it lines up all the way across the window, and we got to cut it three straight cuts, and then obviously around it. So we're going to spray down soapy water, and then this right here will be able to you know, get out all the bubbles. So yeah, I've done it before on small stuff. Like I know they do it on window tint. Obviously, everybody who does window tint, you spray soapy water and then put it up there, move it around, and squeegee out all the water. So same deal. And then I'm just obviously going to leave it cure out in the sun for a day or two. That way it doesn't start to come off, whatever. So my wife and I are going to get to clean this up. No need to watch that. I'm just going to be spraying stuff and cleaning, and then we will get to hanging this on the window and see how it goes. All right, so here goes nothing. So I want to try to so obviously, if you can tell, this is a lot bigger than this window. So I'm gonna try to like half it, maybe not half, but just something like that, to where try to drop it down like so. But I'm gonna cut off some of the top and some on the bottom just to make it look decent. Try to cut it down a little bit while it's still on the paper, just so it's not sticky. All right, everyone, so you get the picture. This took a lot longer than I anticipated, because it's now almost like 10 o'clock. I need to go up and take a shower, grab a little bite to eat, and hit the hay. So this is where we're gonna leave it. I'll show you guys. We'll just, you know, roll right into the next clip, but just wanted to, yeah, I mean, it's there. Like this barely came off. That needs to dry up for a little bit longer before I peel the backing tape off. I even did this too soon. I had to do real gently, but it's on there. And I'm not the best. There's a few mishaps here and there, but overall, it looks okay. You're not going to see it on the flyby, but anyhow. So we're going to go over right now the rest of this video, meaning some other parts to go with this. I'll show you guys tomorrow whenever it's all said and done. But okay, so Xplore Off-Road, I just want to say thanks to them again. Thanks for sending this out. Awesome product, honestly. They told me to give a little review on it, and I mean, it's awesome. I don't know what else to say. Very, very easy using this method, meaning you know, the soapy water and stuff. The only difficult part is kind of this window because it's so recessed. I was thinking about putting on the new rig, but I just didn't have enough time to do it before I put the weld machine on, so it's kind of in the way. But more or less, it sticks out away from the cab, so you just lay the whole thing up there and put it on. So that would have been easier. This just took a little more time is all. But, I mean, to be honest, I think it's going to hold up pretty well. So go get you one. But yeah, so they're going to give one away to you guys. We're going to hold kind of like we did the last one. Comment down below in the description. Comment America. That's what we're going to go with. So comment America to get entered down below, and we're going to make this. We're going to let this go for a week or two, and then we'll pick the winners. And then also, if you guys want this, anything on their site, they have a bunch of decals, some other few miscellaneous accessories. Use my promo code for you guys is Moffett, capital M, lowercase M-O-F-F-I-T-T. Put it on the screen. I know I said that really fast, but you guys can use my my discount code to get 10% off anything on their site. I believe, pretty sure anything. So yeah, I'll show you guys tomorrow what it looks like whenever it's all done. But comment down below. If not, go ahead and go to their website, check it out, get 10% off. But you guys are going to get entered to win this same sticker here if you comment down below. And yeah, so anyhow, we'll catch back up tomorrow. All right, everyone, so it's the next day. So yeah, I think it looks pretty sweet. The wife finished taking off the rest of the stuff this morning after it cured out a little bit. She said it didn't want to come off very easily, the transfer tape or whatever you call it, and she left some bubbles right there, if you can see. But I just got home not long ago and checking it out for the first time. I need to trim up a few places here and there, but overall it's pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see, but I am not a very good installer because I haven't done very many, to be honest. But for what it is, turned out pretty sweet, I think. So yeah, that's that. So if you guys want to win this, don't forget to comment down below. One last thing before we go here, to all my fellow maybe painters or whatever, this truck, this is the worst part of the truck is the cap, top of the cab there. And to be honest, it's really not that bad. This might be the worst area right here. And there's no, like, it's not through, it's just kind of whatever. But my question is, I don't know if you guys can see this stuff here. I don't even point the camera the right thing, but would you put something back in there? I don't know what this is, if it was just like a, I don't know, an epoxy or something to put in there. But basically I want to paint at least this much of it for right now. I want to respray the whole truck eventually, but for the time being, just to cover this up so it don't get any worse, what should I do here? Should I just wire wheel it out and shoot it with regular paint, or try to put some kind of epoxy back in it? Let me know if you would, because I am not the painter. But anyhow, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. By the way, truck's going good. It's worked out pretty well actually for the past few days. I've been running it. Not as bad as I originally thought it would be, meaning it's not as much of a pain as I originally thought it would be. But so far, working out pretty well. So thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to enter down below if you want to win this, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.